Why do people choose QLED TV over OLED TV? OLED TV emits light on its own? It is just a light source. It makes color by itself? No, it also needs a color filter. The picture quality depends on what light source and colors are in use. What has Samsung, the world's top-selling brand for 13 consecutive years, picked as its light source and colors? Granted the testing conditions are the same, the test would produce the same results. In bright environments, screen brightness determines the viewing experience. The same white test pattern is on both TV sets. Let's measure the maximum brightness for each TV as professional certification bodies do. Samsung QLED TV is more than twice as bright as LG OLED TV. Check out the same dark screen on both TVs. On which TV can you clearly see a couch, a carpet, and a cat? Since Samsung QLED TV can express a wider range of brightness, you can find hidden details even in these dark moments. Let's compare color volume using professional-grade equipment. According to this equipment, the reading for Samsung QLED TV is 101%. Whereas that for LG OLED TV is 78%. That is a 23 percentage point difference. Samsung QLED TV is the world's first TV verified for 100% color volume by VDE in Germany. There are color gradation patterns put up on the two TVs. Samsung QLED TV with 100% color volume renders the gradation naturally. LG OLED TV, however, shows a border on the green portion because of its low color purity and narrow range of colors. That's why on LG OLED TV, the green color of the golf course has other colors blended in. And the pattern on the clothes looks smudged as it can't reproduce the red color properly. For Samsung QLED TV, quantum dots create highly pure and accurate colors. LG OLED TV uses WRGB color filters with the white color added. Why? It appears to be there to compensate for low brightness. When white comes into the mix, it is bound to undermine color purity. LG OLED TV with WRGB color filters makes certain colors look different when viewed from the side due to the low color purity. Samsung QLED TV, on the other hand, shows the same colors from both the front and side thanks to its high color purity. OLED TV has a fatal flaw. The light-emitting process oxidizes the materials, shortening the product life. This causes a phenomenon called burn-in, which refers to a visible mark on the screen. If you have an OLED TV yourself, you might experience this as well. Search OLED TV burn-in online and you'll find the facts. You can stop worrying about TV burn-in. Now we come down to the question, what is a good TV? One with higher brightness, that expresses details better in dark scenes, with 100% color volume, and with a better color viewing angle. Stop worrying about TV burn-in. That's why Samsung, the world's top-selling TV brand for 13 consecutive years, does not make OLED TVs. Now, the choice is yours.